Accounting management allows to account for the support activity performed and get useful reports for billing. For subscription contracts, it is possible to define the expected number of hours, subscription cost, any time shots, and a minimum duration below which connections are not considered. Contracts must then be associated with the groups in the address book, and in this way the console automatically calculates the duration of the support to be scaled from the contract's total hours. For each connection, an extra duration can also be added. For any assistance provided outside the connection with Supremo, the new duration to be subtracted from the total hours is then calculated. It is possible to add notes and then mark the assistance as accounted for. The little icon turns green. By clicking on Calculate Totals, you can check the total hours already accounted for and the total hours yet to be accounted for. All assistants can be accounted for at once by clicking on Account for All. If there are changes from the defined contract, a recharge can be recorded to add or remove support hours. Export to CSV allows the extracted data to be imported to third-party management systems or software.